We are now entering the town of Lismore. They have airport on that side. They have a big town center here in Lismore. So basically, I bought a bike tube, and then I pumped the tire of the bike, and then I eat in the Filipino shop, which is nice. And we are going again. According to Google Map, it's around 2 hours and 30 minutes, but for sure it's going to be like 4 hours with my relaxed and easy bike ride. The time now is 2:30. There are houses on top of those mountains. You know, my face have been exposed to the suns since morning. It is going to be darker tomorrow. Oh, it's so good if it's like this. No sun rays. We are in the highest part of the mountain. I will show you what it is downhill. Yeah, that's where we came from. Right now we are here in a town called Clones, C-L-U-N-E-S. It looks like the people living here are the rich people. This is in top of the mountain, and yeah, mostly are beautiful house, expensive looking house. Yeah, let me show you this. Yeah, so basically we are on top of the hill. I mean on top of the mountain. You can see that highlands. Beautiful. And we are still going uphill. And the same here in this side. You see the valley. Beautiful. Yeah, and we are in this place. So basically I was coming on top of that mountain. On top of that mountain there are series of uphill, going down, uphill, down. Yeah, if you can see that top, there is roads on there. Yeah, and there, and then on this side there are roads that are doing like this, but it's going down. It's good to experience. I was running really fast, very smooth, downhill. Yeah, good experience. And during that time there was no so much cars, and amazing. A little bit scary, dangerous, but yeah, it was a good feeling, mate. So I experienced that safely, and we are keep on going now. I don't know the name of the town, but yeah, this is a small town here. Some establishment. Beautiful looking town, a small town. There is a food works there. Food works is like a Woolworth, but smaller. They have in Apollo Bay, I remember. Yeah, that's basically their shopping mall. Nice. And this one is a club. And we will keep on going until we reach Byron Bay. Look at this, there is one guy. This is a Belgian guy. He is missing. Today from Casino.
Casino?
Yeah.
Where are you going to stay the night?
Byron Bay.
Oh, you're going to go down to Byron Bay?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Got a light?
I have light, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
I can reach Byron Bay?
Yeah, it's probably by bike.
1 hour?
A bit of uphill.
Still a lot of hills?
Sorry?
Still a lot of hills in
Oh, go down, it goes flat, and it starts climbing a bit, and then it climbs. One steep hill,
there.
long, not steepish hill, but then once you get over that, it's basically downhill all the way down.
I can.
And then you turn left at a T intersection, and that takes you into Byron Bay.
Good. I still have 4 batteries, so it's okay.
Yeah, come on.
Thank you. Thank you. Yo, we are walking the bike for safety of everyone, because there are some people who are walking in this. Yeah, this is a sidewalk. Bike is not supposed to be in here. I don't know the name of the place, but it's cool. You know, this place feels different. It feels good here. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, now I know the name of the place. It's called the Bungalow. This is the Bungalow Public School. Yeah, this place is Bungalow. Nice. They have a nice community here. Yeah, this is the road to Byron Bay. Not really ideal for me. Yeah, almost 1 lane. Yeah, we're going to switch this on now for safety. Yo. Yeah, those cows, they are afraid of me. Yeah, this is the road heading to Byron Bay. There's no more sun. The moon is there again. The same from last night, half moon. Wow, look at this beauty. Beautiful. Yeah, there are some small flies that goes inside my eyes. Yeah, we are still in the road heading to Byron Bay, and this is how it is here. Yeah, I can already see the water. Yeah, the valley, and then the water is there, Byron Bay down there. So nice. Yeah. Oh, there is a viewing area. Wow, look at the color of the different colors, huh? Really beautiful. Okay, we keep on going, mate. Yo, at the moment, yeah, we are here in Byron Bay. Yeah, until this time, everything is open. Shops and restaurants, they are still open. I'm also seeing a lot of bikers. Nice. A lot of people here. If you compare this to other city, yeah, this one is still alive even until the night, I think. Because I'm always hearing this in the news related to, you know, nightlife, drugs, fights, something like that. Oh, look at that. Their electric bike looks so different and looks big.